Hi everybody, I am in the Mercado of Puerto Escondido. Let's see what they have to offer. So as you can see, you can have some nice food there. And let's see, artwork. It's a nice place where you can buy a little bit of everything. It's open every day. They have two Mercado in Puerto Escondido, this one, and there is another one in closer to La Punta on the other side.
Hola, lo que gustes, amigo, alguna camisa.
Food, lot of food to eat. It's a fun place. Juice bar. Boy, it's really big. It's really big. Wow, lot of shoes, t-shirts, just everything. Hey yo! So this market is really a good option if you live here. You can have a lot of things like really cheap. You have a lot of options. They have two big markets. There is this one and there is another one closer to La Punta. You can go there if you live closer to La Punta. It's an interesting option for people who live here and they want to buy cheap food, cheap fruits, cheap vegetables, cheap clothing. Really nice. So that was Mercado Municipal Benito Juarez. See you on the next one.